Robroy Industries is a world market leader and operates an ISO 9001 certified quality management system facility, pioneering innovative product lines for electrical products. Robroy's hazardous location fittings, such as ceiling fittings, conduit unions, GUA outlet boxes, and EC Series flexible couplings, have always provided the highest possible performance and uncompromised safety. And now we've raised that bar to a new level of assurance. In an industry first, Robroy's hazardous location fittings have been UL1203 listed for safety certification by Underwriters Laboratories. UL1203 is the recognized safety standard for hazardous location and dust ignition-proof electric equipment for use in hazardous locations. The UL-listed mark is applied only to products that are manufactured and regulated in accordance with UL requirements. UL testing validates the assembled system for the best continual corrosion protection for safe performance, as required in the harshest environments. Robroy PVC-coated ceiling fittings allow for a UL-required plug engagement verification that utilizes our patented P5SA visual validation system, all without compromising safety or critical corrosion protection. With the P5SA system, both installers and inspectors can visually confirm that the urethane-coated plugs are correctly engaged the first time, every time, allowing for a level of assurance that the system will perform correctly when required. When installed, the plug should not protrude beyond the beveled edge of the PVC. If the plug sits taller than the beveled edge, it could mean less than 5 threads are engaged, which could lead to an internal explosion escaping from the fitting. With the plug below the PVC beveled edge, it validates that there are 5 full threads of engagement per the NEC code. The ceiling fitting plug serves a critical role as a proper flame path that allows an internal explosion to cool and escape into the outside atmosphere without exploding externally. That's the Robroy Plug 5 safety assurance. Even with the highest quality parts, proper installation is key when it comes to any system, particularly ceiling fittings. Robroy ceiling fittings must be used with a qualified ceiling compound, as required by UL listing. Select the proper compound rated for the specific hazardous location and follow the manufacturer installation instructions included with the ceiling compound. Again, with the P5SA system, both installers and inspectors can visually confirm that the urethane-coated plugs are installed correctly with 5 full threads of engagement. Robroy products are labeled with a required permanently attached metal tag showing a UL1203 certification mark that will instantly let inspectors and installation professionals know that the product will deliver safe and proven protection. The enhanced Smart UL certification mark and badge system delivers greater clarity in a product's compliance. The QR codes featured on Robroy products can be scanned to provide fast and convenient access to the UL Smart Marks Hub and offer vital information about the product and certification compliance. For a complete corrosion-resistant solution that maintains the highest level of protection and UL compliance in hazardous locations, it is required that Raceway incorporate Robroy's ETL PVC 001 verified conduit. To ensure the best possible PVC-coated conduit installation, Robroy recommends that installers be certified. Only installers who are able to present valid, unexpired credentials of having passed our instruction and examination are officially certified to install Robroy's products. Robroy offers various accredited training programs. If you're looking for unmatched performance and uncompromised safety, depend on Robroy's premier lineup of UL-listed hazardous location fittings. Contact Robroy today for more information.